What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for always returning. Thank you so much for your support. To all my channel members and all my subscribers, I really appreciate your love. Thank you so much. Please continue to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. As you can see by the title, I am making a lovely dish. Come along with me.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the...
So here I have the fish that I'm going to escovitch. If you watch my previous video, you will see where I went fishing and have no luck by catching a big fish. So I went and bought this one. So now it's time to wash the fish. I'm washing the fish with some lime. You can also use lemon, but at this moment I'm using lime to wash my fish. So I'm making sure I have all the fish covered with lime. Then I'll be rinsing it off with some more water. And then I will drain the water and I will pot dry the fish with paper towel. So this kind of fish is called rockfish. And it's a wild caught fish. So guys, if you never try rockfish, try it out. So now I'm pot drying the fish to take out the excess water from the fish. So I'll give you a rundown of the seasoning that I'll be using with the fish. Here I have cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic and herbs, fish seasoning. I have some dry thyme, chopped onions, also have some herb and garlic marinade. So I put some of the season here on the plate. I'm just going to add some of the marinated liquid to it. And then I'll be adding some oil. I'm using some grapeseed oil, but it doesn't matter. You can use oil of your choice. So I'm just going to mix and combine. So now I'm going to start to season the fish. So I'm going to make sure I have all the fish covered with this seasoning. And then I'm going to sit it down to marinate for 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, as you all know, seafood, it doesn't take long to absorb the seasoning in it. So I'm just going to do this 30 to 40 minutes. And then I'll start to fry my fish. And I'll be preparing some fried breadfruit with this fish. The breadfruit is already roasted. And this breadfruit come all the way from Jamaica. I'm so excited, guys. If you know me, you know how excited I am when I get stuff from Jamaica. I still get breadfruit here, but it's nothing like the one from Jamaica. So this one, I'm going to say this one is authentic because it's from Jamaica. So it's authentic Jamaican roasted fried breadfruit. Yeah. It can only be authentic if it comes straight from Jamaica, right? Yes. So I'm so excited to, prepare this dish because, it's one of our, what I would say, our delicacy, breadfruit. I mean, when you're not in Jamaica, it's not so easy to get it, And when you get it at the store, it is so expensive, guys. Yeah. So where I live, breadfruit is like $2.69 a pound. Yeah, but I have no choice but to buy it when I don't have in my freezer, So here I have my skillet on the fire. I'm adding some oil to it. And now I'm adding some garlic and ginger. So now it's time to add the fish. Okay, so I'm gonna fry them nicely, golden brown on each side. And I'll be preparing the Escovitch sauce. So if you're not familiar with Escovitch sauce, it is a spicy sauce made up with Scotch bonnet pepper, pimento, vinegar. I would say those three are the most important ingredients. And then we have the vegetables. Now I have my assorted bell pepper right here. Onions, carrots, pimento, brown sugar, hot pepper. I have some dry thyme. You can use the fresh thyme also. And here I have some butter. And here's the fish that's already fried. Now I'm gonna add some butter to the pot. Add in some pimento. Then I'm gonna add my vinegar. Guys, you can also put the vinegar in the pot first and then you add your other item, but I choose to melt my butter first. So now I have a piece of pepper in in the pot, and now I'm adding my carrots. Adding the onions. Add pepper. Guys, this smells so good. Sugar. Adding some thyme. As I said before, fresh thyme is fine. I am using the dry thyme because it have less stem in it. I'm adding the assorted bell pepper. I'm just stirring this and combine everything together. I'm adding some fish seasoning. And I'm adding some black pepper. Look at this beautiful Escovitch sauce. So my Escovitch sauce is ready. It's time for the breadfruit. So here I have the breadfruit. It's already roast and peeled. So I'm just gonna cut this breadfruit in two. After which I'm gonna remove the middle part and slice them up. So here I have the breadfruit all sliced up. So now it's time to fry the breadfruit. I have my pot right here on the fire and I'm adding some oil. So now I'm adding the breadfruit. And my breadfruit will be golden brown when it's done. So here is my breadfruit, guys. And here is the presentation of my Escovitch fish and breadfruit. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be good. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love.
The food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the